Hi, my name is Martin Johansson, and I will show you what our newly developed LogTrace system, the LTS, can do for you. Traditionally, the manual cleaning process in the food industry has been very hard to control for responsible people, like quality and production managers. They would of course like to have the same kind of traceability, control and documentation of the nighttime cleaning process as during their daily production. What if I told you that you can now have all that? Our newly developed LogTrace system, the LTS, will in combination with our central cleaning system give you superior hygienic result with reduced time, water and chemical consumption, all documented and with traceability back in time. I'll show you how it works. So this is where you will end up when you log in to the LTS system. This is the dashboard that shows your unit as we speak. With a 10-second delay, you can see what all sensors are showing. On the top, you have your water unit. Incoming pressure, power consumption, outgoing pressure, temperature, and flow. And as you can see, they are running quite heavily right now. If we go down here, we come to general chemical. That's more or less inlet pressure and outlet pressure on the small booster pump on the VCC unit. If we go to the right, we have each and every chemical. We can have up to 4 different chemicals here. They got 2 on this facility. And you can see the concentration measured in conductivity, the temperature, and the flow. If we go to alarms, you can set alarms for low water temperature, for low concentration, or whatever you want. And an alarm can go on an email or text message to the guy responsible for the cleaning or whoever you want. PDF reports, you can print daily, weekly or monthly reports proving the sanitation process. Manuals is linked under instructions. Now you can only log into the system and get the exact manual that you need for your equipment. You don't have to look anywhere else. In the bottom to the right, you have values. This is where you put in your costs for water and chemical solution to get an estimated cost of your cleaning process. And from here, you can go to monitoring. Monitoring is logging back in time. This is your water consumption for the last 4 weeks. As you can see, we have 5 cleaning sessions every week. And we can go down to the last day to see how it operated yesterday. And we can zoom in down to every 5 seconds and get a very clear picture of the cleaning process. So this is what the flow looked like. The red line is the flow. The bright blue is the outgoing pressure. The dark one is the temperature. And the yellow is the incoming pressure. And you can follow it all. Just select. This shows you the last week. And you can do the same for chemical. So here we can see the chemical 1 during the cleaning process from yesterday. You can see the flow, the red line, and you can see the concentration, the blue line. So the concentration has kept within range and the usage has been different, but you can see very clearly and you can have proof that your concentration has been correct. So if you press on PDF reports, you can select whatever time you want. I have the last day. So you will get this in PDF form, the last 24 hours of water, chemical 1, 2, 3 and 4 they don't have here. So you can save it in a PDF form or you can print it and sign it, totally up to you. The alarm handling is made on a personal level. So we can go into the user, we can edit his profile, his phone number, and we can allow to have an SMS alarm, an email alarm, and save settings, and he will get everything. Maybe the guy in charge of the cleaning nightly will have an SMS. but the hygienic responsible person working daytime only wants an email. That can be selected here. I hope you have enjoyed and that the LogTrace system met your expectations. By investing in the LTS, you will do good for the environment, for your employees, for your brand, and for your business. And being able to prove it will give you a good night's sleep for many years to come. Thanks for watching.